Hello friends, I'm making this video on coronavirus just to give all the information collected from various websites. I have got this link in the description box below for your reference. I'm going to cover how it spreads, how to prevent, and its treatment. The recent outbreak of coronavirus has shuffled the entire world as it's spreading to other countries. The whole world is on high alert following the arrival of first case reported in China. So far, there have been hundreds of reported infection cases across the world. Health authorities believe to have started in Chinese seafood market and has come most probably from snakes. Some airports are carrying out screening on passengers by checking their body temperature before they travel. Other Asian countries are also adopting precautionary quarantine procedures with the aim of preventing the illness from spreading. There are concerns the virus could reach Britain and NHS on high alert for signs of the illness. Coronavirus is a family of airborne virus which attack the respiratory system. Same family of virus was responsible for the 2003 to 2004 severe acute respiratory syndrome (SARS) epidemic. Some symptoms of the disease are mild, such as developing a fever or coughing. Other symptoms are common cold, fever, breathing issues, cough, pneumonia, and kidney issues. This virus is common amongst animals worldwide, but at times they can spread from animals to humans, and that's what happened this time. This virus spreads between an infected person and others via air, which means from cough, sneeze, or by touching or shaking hands. Also by touching an object with this virus and then touching your mouth or nose, etc. If you have cold-like symptoms, stay home and avoid close contact and cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Now let's move to coronavirus treatment. There is no treatment or vaccine for the new coronavirus yet, and most people with common human coronavirus illness recover on their own. You can take pain, cough and fever medication which are available over the counter. However, the virus does not respond to antibiotic treatments either. Remember not to give any medication to children without consulting your doctor. Drink plenty of fluids and take good rest. If you are concerned about your symptoms, then do visit your doctor. It's affecting majorly to people with weak immune system, and if you are mildly sick in the initial stage, you can recover at home. People with breathing issues are hospitalized and kept in isolation so that the virus doesn't spread. The intention behind this video is to create awareness, and some of you may find this information incorrect or may have different views, but as I said before, it's been collected from the reliable websites. Please check the description box below. So guys, take care of yourself and stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching.